imperative, may obstacle. Lahat yan nandiyan. So your body should to present, kaya sabi niya, as living, bakit sacrifice? Kasi lahat ng ethical imperative may obstacle. And it needs sacrifice to what? To overcome the obstacle. Kasi pag may obstacle ka, so kahit mahirap gagawin ko, that's sacrificial. That's why it's a living, lahat din connected, ha? So in every section, there's an ethical imperative, there is a obstacle, and last, there's a near future hope. Ano sabihin? Kasi last few weeks, we talk about a far future hope. Eschatological, when the end of time comes. Ito meron siya, during this time, God is doing something for you to hope in Him so that you can do the imperative He's asking. Ang tawag doon, near future hope. Kasi ang hope, may near future, may far future hope. Ganun yan. So yan tatlo, makikita mo sa every section. 3 to 13, 14 to 21, 1 to 7. Are you ready? Okay. So what's the question we're trying to answer? What's the question? Nalimutan na, di ba? What does it look like for us? Fueled by hope because of the mercies of God. What does it look like for us to present our bodies as living sacrifice? What are the ethical imperatives? First, immediately after verse 1 and 2, the first imperative is to serve. To serve in church. Eh, Pastor, hindi naman yan nakasulat sa verse 3, ah. Hindi, yan ang nakasulat sa verse 6. Let's use them. Sabi niya, having gifts that differ according to the gifts given to us, let us use them. Tingnan mo katabi mo, mukha bang gifted? Tingnan mo lang, ano? Wow! Grabe yung habang nag-worship, yun yung kumanta, the songbird of Asia. Ah, di ba? Yung nasa kaliwa mo, wow! Key of R. Sintonado, hindi mo mahanap sa key. Kaya key of R. Pag sinamong key of R ang isang tao, kahit anong gawin ng musician, wala siya makita kasi CD, ABC, wala talaga. Kahit broken chords pa yan, hindi mahanap yung R kasi broken talaga yung boses. Okay, now, look at this. Sabi niya, ang first ethical imperative is for us to serve. To serve God in the church. Yan ang pinakauna. Pag binasa mo yung buong 3 to 13,